Hi everyone, it's John from Save Me Marketing here. There's a brand new feature on Google My Business where you can actually link your social profiles, which is great because then it creates that connection for Google to see who you are, what buzz is being created, and hopefully get you up the rankings a little bit more, particularly if you're an active poster. So, how do you do it? First of all, log into your My Business account. And I'm going to use my water business here, Airqua, water from air. Go to edit profile. Scroll down. Make sure you've added all your information in here, and you'll skip down, you'll see social profiles new. So click on there. Click on the social profile. First one I'm going to do is Facebook. And so what you want to do is go to Facebook and the actual page, the URL of the page, so in this case /Airqua, copy and paste it into there and hit save. Now I'm going to go through and do all of my social profiles. You may even find that Google has already picked them up for you, but I do urge you to go in and have a look at that. It's a new feature that they're promoting, and you just get the feeling that it's going to have some sort of difference within the ranking of your Google My Business profile for the particular keywords that you're after. Hope to see you all later. If you ever need any help on marketing, SEO, or advertising, give me a call, shoot me an email, john@saveme.com.au. That's Save Me with an I.